See the t-shirt.
Yeah, here, change your clothes.
Oh my gosh, that's
Change.
cute.
Change your clothes.
Oh my gosh.
Hey! Good morning.
Why did you do anything?
You shouldn't read that first.
Oh, Brian, how do you like the dough balls? Owen. Oh.
I mean, you've had to put up with a lot.
And you think raising you wasn't much?
I could have been a lot worse. I could have been a lot worse. Good graphic job.
You see that? You see that
She's
look?
like,
Which finger did you put it on?
the ring finger.
Which one is that?